Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create mockups in Affinity Studio. Now the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and enable a setting. You just come to the top, click on edit, and then click on settings. After that I want you to come here, make sure you're in the general tab, scroll down a little, and make sure this one is toggled on. Import PSD smart objects when possible. So make sure this one is toggled on. You can close this. Now the reason we're doing this is because most of these mockups that you can download online come in the PSD format. So that is why we're doing this. We need to enable this setting. Now luckily with Affinity you can just go ahead and download any of these mockups. For example, this one right here is what I'll be using. You just go ahead and download it, and it works as a PSD file. Now these are some of the websites you can use: Mockup World, Unblast. We also have Behance and Mockup Cloud. You can go ahead and get free mockups on any of these websites. I downloaded this one, and we'll go ahead and just open this up in Affinity. Now once that is opened up, what you need to do is just come here, click on input your art, and then you just go ahead and click on it again and it will open this up. Then you bring in your design. So come here to pictures. Let's get our channel logo, for example. And then I'll just resize and cover this whole section. So here I am enlarging this. I've held control and I'll place that there in the middle. And then after that, you just come and click here again on the mockup itself. As you can see, it has been applied. And if you want to change the background color, what you do is you click here on this arrow, get this drop down of options. Here you'll see background, click on that again, click on background color, and then here you'll see the fill. So go ahead and click on that. And now you can adjust the fill. I can even use a color picker. So you just drag this out. Let's pick that color. Let's make it a little bit darker. And there you go. You can go ahead and save this and export it. But that is how to create mockups in Affinity Studio.